I don't know how to start. I don't know what to... Hello? Hi. Afternoon? No, God no. Buenos dias? No, that's not going to work. Hello, how are you? That's practically racist. I can't say... Hello! That's too pretentious. Yeah, we'll figure this out as we go. In the words of many a Hank Azaria character on The Simpsons, hello everybody! I say everybody. At time of recording I've got 4 subscribers. So hello to you 4. So, this is my first vlog with voice. Done a couple of videos already. Those videos are just me learning software and cameras and capabilities and trying to figure out what it is I want to do and all of that kind of good stuff. I'm still figuring that out. I just now can record my voice. So yeah, it's a journey, I guess, for us all. So we're out for a ride on the island. I'm going to head out to Corfu on the kind of the western side of the island. I may have picked the wrong time to do this, but it looks like it's quietening down a little bit. I'm going to get some gas, some fuel, and then we'll get on it. We'll see if we can pick an interesting route out there. So it's an absolutely beautiful day today. Just coming up to 6 p.m. on the 26th of June. And it is stunning weather. This does not look good. They're going to tell us they've got no fuel. No unleaded. Brilliant. No unleaded. That's the joys of living on the island. No plan survives first contact with the enemy. Here we go. So we're going to head into Newport. I was going to take the Downs Road, which takes you over some beautiful scenery. On an evening like this, it would be absolutely stunning. That's a no-go because I need to go via a fuel station. Fuel station? I need to go past a garage. So I did a vlog on Sunday. Waited for the football, England versus Panama, to get to half time. Not that I'm massively into football, I'll say that now, but I am somewhat patriotic, so quite happy to watch that, which I did. Got halfway through, so it was like 6-0 or something, and figured what could possibly go wrong, and nothing did go wrong. I had visions of coming back and it was like 10-6 to Panama or something. But got out, did a vlog, and at the end of that vlog I said regardless of the quality, I was going to post it up for you guys, all 4 of you at the... Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. All 4 of you at the time of recording this. Yeah, I was going to put it up, and unfortunately the quality was that bad. So the video was good, it looked decent, pretty happy with the angles I've got set up. What it lacked was anywhere near decent sound quality, and I now think I've gotten over that. This video will help me determine whether that is the case. So I got the same setup, but I think I fixed the problem I had. So the problem I had, it was just really crackly, and it was constant. I couldn't even get rid of it during sort of post-processing or anything like that. And it probably helps if I talk you through the setup I've got. So I'm running a GoPro Hero 4. That's you there. On the back of that, I have a Sena GP-10 Bluetooth backpack. So kind of just click straight on it. That's Bluetooth into my Sena 20S with a mic built into my headset. That's just absolutely amazing. So I was hoping to pick up video from the camera and audio through that, and it works. You know, I put it all in, and there were some issues. Technically speaking, I had to mess around with some firmware versions on the Sena So I'm running currently version 1.6.2. So we'll see how that works out. It's rolled back from the most current, so it's not the most current software. The most current is something like 1.75. That'll be a neutral then. But I had these horrible crackling noises. The audio quality was shocking. It just, even for demonstration purposes, I'll try and put a bit into this so you see how bad it was, and then you might understand why I didn't spend 6 weeks making a video all about it, because this clip should be enough. We'll head home. As I say, short video, short test. After much Googling, much researching, and there's not a whole lot about it on the net, to be honest, I figured, I'd start at the source and work forward. So I started with just changing out the Sena mic. The mic I've had in there probably for near as damn it a year. And it looks like that's what the issue was. I put a new mic in and I got crystal clear audio almost straight away. Literally at source, without messing around with any processing or any of that jazz. It just worked. So that's what I'm trying now. Different mic in it. So I haven't had to do any other fault finding. Basically, if you're watching this, listening to me, then it worked. And then there's no point me saying that, because if it didn't work, you'll never... yeah, anyway, let's just leave it. Got 24 degrees on the clock. Toasty. Please be going to the ferry. Please be going to the ferry. Are you going to the ferry? Are you going to the ferry? Are you going to... no. Right, we have juice, we have road, we have beautiful sunshine, and I got you fellas. Let's go for a ride. I love it when people just throw stuff out of their car window and it just bounces off your bike. It's like you wouldn't do that if you met someone in the street. Here. Have some screen wash in your face. Anyway, it's not a ranty video. T-shirt on an R6. Get in. Again, it's not a ranty video. I am... no. Not yet. I don't know you well enough. It's our first date. Let's be nice. I'll be polite, I'll be a gentleman. See where this goes. That just got weird pretty quickly. Isle of Wight Festival just happened, which is why, another reason, going back to my earlier talk on my Sunday vlogging disaster, football was on. For those not at the football, everybody was at the Isle of Wight Festival here. Pretty cool event, not for me. There was no traffic on the roads at all. It was dead, unlike what I feel we're about to start to see in a minute. But it was just empty and bliss and quiet and visually a stunning video, but I feel I owe people now something more than bikes with music, because there's tons of that. There's tons of this. There's tons of people talking. Very aware that I'm, a very small fish in a very big pool. Pond. Fish don't swim in pools, do they? No, pond. I'm going to take you on the Isle of Wight motorway. It's the only bit of the island where you can legally do 70 miles an hour. We should time-lapse this piece, because then you'd be there and wouldn't have to sit through this with me. So let's do that. Two lanes of freedom. 2 lanes of freedom. And there we are. Just such an amazing piece of highway for about 18 seconds, and now we're back to 40. Oh, but hey, you didn't come here for highway cruising, so let's go find something more interesting. So this road out to Yarmouth is pretty nice. I've ridden it a few times. I enjoy it. It's lovely on a Sunday morning when there's nothing in. Got to watch as you descend into Falmouth though. Not that I'm an airliner, but it is downhill at that bit, and you can quite often end up going through some pretty thick fog. We're not actually going that far. We're going to Corfe because this evening, hello, I'm combining this with dad stuff. It's Cub Camp, and they need men to help set up their tents. So, failing that, they got me. Yeah, so I'm going to go and do that. So this truck doesn't make for particularly interesting viewing, so we'll try and do something about that. I've been behind trucks all day. Just look at that. I'm stuck here behind this guy. I suppose I should introduce you as well to Toothless. This girl down here, my beloved FJR 1300, biggest bike I've ever owned in both size of engine and size of bike. I still haven't got through this truck. I'll keep waffling. Done it! Yep, we're down here. A lot of roads like this on the island as well, these kind of narrow affairs. Need to find where the entrance is now. And then we get to take the beast off-road! Not really. It's terrifying on this thing. Absolutely terrifying. As much as I love you, this ain't your thing. At least the gate's open. Anyway, oh God, oh God, oh God. I'll keep the camera running just in case something funny happens. I don't know, like the bike slides out from under me and ends up on top of me, and that'll go horribly wrong. But I'll catch you guys in a bit for the journey home. Bye-bye! Oh, that I just, oh God. You'll come to learn I laugh when I'm nervous and scared and terrified and panicked. Right folks, I'm back on the road of doom. Finished setting up tents with the cubs. I say with the cubs just ran around. We set the tents up. Oh, what a beautiful evening. Right, come on then, let's have some fun. try and round this up. It's not really been a topic, I've just kind of waffled on, and I think it's, for my first video, it's really been more about a test of the equipment, test of the audio, test of the cameras. In a minute I'm going to go and test the editing, and you know, just try and make sure I can put together what I want to put together. But I appreciate you guys hanging around. Please subscribe, please like, throw me a comment. If you like it, if you don't like it, you know, that's okay too. But yeah, thanks for joining me on the on this evening ride on the island. Toodaloo.